Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix constant notification sound on Samsung phone. So let's get started. First, if your phone keep playing notification sound repeatedly, start by opening the settings app on your phone. Then scroll down in the settings and look for the notification option. Tap on notification and then go to advanced settings. Now check if you see an option called repeated notification alerts. If this settings is turned on, tap on it and turn it off. This is because when this settings is enabled, your phone may repeatedly play notification sound at regular interval to remind you about a notification that you received but haven't opened or viewed yet. So make sure to check these settings as well. Now, if you have a relatively older Samsung phone, you may find an option called notification reminder. To find it, go to the search option in the settings menu, search for notification reminder. If you see a settings called notification reminder, open it and turn it off. However, the option may not be available directly on your phone. In that case, you may also find the settings under the accessibility menu. To do this, go to the settings and select accessibility. Then go to hearing enhancement. Here, if you see an option called notification reminder, make sure to turn it off as well. Additionally, there is one more thing you can check to fix the problem of repeat notification sound. For this, go back to the settings and select notification again. Then go to app notification. If you are receiving repeated notification from a specific app, you can turn off notification for this particular app. For example, if you are constantly receiving notification from a game, you can simply disable notification for that game. Alternatively, you don't have to completely disable notification for a specific app. You can simply turn off the sound and vibration for that app. This way you will still receive notification, but your phone won't make any sound or vibrate whenever a notification arrives. So, if you are receiving unwanted repeated notification sound from a specific app, go to that app notification settings and turn off sound and vibration option. If you want, you can also disable lock screen and app icon notification according to your preferences. After changing all these settings, you may need to restart your phone once for the changes to take effect properly. To restart your phone, you can open the power menu and tap on the restart option. Alternatively, you can press and hold the volume down and power down button, then choose the restart option and confirm it. After restarting your phone, hopefully the problem of repeated notification sound will be fixed. That's it, you are successfully done. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.